Welcome to Aruba, the Caribbean paradise known for its stunning landscapes, vibrant culture, and endless adventures. Whether you're here to relax on the beach or explore the island's hidden gems, Aruba has something for everyone. Eagle Beach is a must-visit, renowned for its powdery white sand and mesmerizing sunsets. For nature enthusiasts, Arikok National Park offers a glimpse into Aruba's rugged beauty, with hiking trails, hidden caves, and unique wildlife. And don't forget to explore Oranjestad, the vibrant capital city where Dutch colonial architecture meets Caribbean charm. Aruba is home to some of the Caribbean's finest resorts. The Ritz-Carlton offers a luxurious retreat with world-class amenities, while Bucuti and Tara Beach Resort is an adults-only haven known for its eco-friendly practices and tranquil atmosphere. Aruba's culinary scene is a fusion of flavors from around the world. Don't miss the chance to try quechillena, a traditional dish of baked cheese stuffed with spiced meat, or enjoy a local pastiche for a quick snack. Fresh seafood is also abundant, with many restaurants serving up the catch of the day. Aruba's culinary scene is a fusion of flavors from around the world. Don't miss the chance to try quechillena, a traditional dish of baked cheese stuffed with spiced meat, or enjoy a local pastiche for a quick snack. Fresh seafood is also abundant, with many restaurants serving up the catch of the day. Aruba is not just about beautiful landscapes, it's also about its warm and welcoming people. The island's rich cultural heritage is celebrated through music, dance, and vibrant festivals. Engage with the locals, and you'll experience the true heart of Aruba. In Aruba, fresh water is a precious resource, and the island has found an innovative solution to ensure a steady supply. Aruba relies heavily on a sophisticated desalination process to convert seawater into clean, safe drinking water. The island's main desalination facility, Web Aruba, utilizes state-of-the-art multi-stage flash distillation technology. This process involves heating seawater to create steam, which is then condensed back into liquid form, leaving the salt and other impurities behind. The result is pure, fresh water that meets all drinking standards. The desalination plant produces millions of gallons of water daily, not only supplying homes and businesses, but also ensuring that Aruba's tourism industry thrives. The island's commitment to sustainability is evident in its efficient use of resources, minimizing waste, and reducing its carbon footprint. Aruba's approach to water management is a model of sustainability. From using renewable energy sources like wind and solar to power parts of the desalination process, to promoting water conservation across the island, Aruba is dedicated to preserving this vital resource for future generations. So, as you enjoy your stay in Aruba, whether you're sipping on a refreshing glass of water or taking a dip in the pool, you can rest assured that the island is committed to providing sustainable and safe water for all. Aruba enjoys warm weather all year, making it a great destination anytime. However, the best time to visit is during the dry season, from January to March, when you can enjoy sunny skies and minimal rain. The island also lies outside the hurricane belt, so severe weather is rare. From its breathtaking landscapes to its rich culture, Aruba is a destination that promises unforgettable experiences. Whether you're looking to relax or explore, this Caribbean gem has it all. Remember to pack sunscreen, stay hydrated, and immerse yourself in all that Aruba has to offer. If you enjoyed this guide to Aruba, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow travelers, and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. See you in Aruba. Thanks for watching.